In this short video I would like to show you how to import geotagged images to your QGIS project. And therefore I was searching for a plugin, and so let's have a look in the plugin tab here, which plugins are available for this kind of task. So I've searched for photo, and there's the plugin geotag and import photos and photo to shape, which is probably quite sophisticated, but it requires you to have xFread installed, and I don't like to install additional software for this task. So I was using photo to KMZ, which creates txt file from your photo folder and also a KMZ file. So this is the button for it, photo to KMZ. Press on it, let's select the folder, and I have a folder with my images from the Sears Intergeo. So this is the GIS folder, and I would like to name it export images Intergeo. And just press on OK. It works in the background, so it grabs the geodata or the latitude and longitudes from each point, from each photo, and it also asks you to open the KMZ. We will skip that and we will just import the text file. So this is the export images Intergeo file. We'll grab that, and the I think this is fine here. So we will, the comma is the separator, that's great, and we have point coordinates. The X field is the longitude, the Y field is the latitude, and that's, I think, yeah, point is the separator for the decimals, and that's great. So just press on OK. Now we have here the points. So I've started my trip to Stuttgart, which where the Intergeo took place this year, and there is it, Stuttgart, and so there are my points. Now just save that as a separate shapefile. Do that here in the GIS file folder, Intergeo photos shape. Well, you don't have to shout that, and it is stored as a shapefile. So, and we will add the saved file to the map and remove the other layer. So now there are my points, and in ArcGIS I showed you how to show the images right by clicking on one point, and we will do it another way around. So there's this cool tool called map tips, and you can define map tips in your layer. So let's go here and go to display, check the HTML, and set insert an expression. Now the expression is like this. We will concatenate, and what to concatenate? We will make usage of HTML syntax. So we would like to show an image, and the source is from somewhere. The source is, of course, the name, or it is stored in the attribute name. And furthermore, we will add an width operator, because the images are quite big. So the width should be, well, let's say 400 pixels, and we will close the image tag, and yeah, really close the image tag, and that's it. So this is the output preview. So let's just press on OK. Okay, now activate the Hoover. Let's check whether this works. There is an image, but it's not available. So let's have a look at the attribute table, which is wrong with our data. The main reason for that there's no image shown is that this path is not a real path to the image. It's just the name of the image. So let's adjust this. We will update the name, and this will be also concatenation from the current position of the files, which is there, but we will have to replace this with, that's // due to the fact it's Python and it's not a Linux system. So this is the location of the images, and we will concatenate this with, sorry for the misspelling here, and we will concatenate this with name. Well, let's close that, and this looks quite good here down below. So this is the real path to the image. Just press on OK, and now we will update all. So now we have the name updated. We can save that now, go out of edit mode, close this, and let's have a look back again at the preview. So there's no preview given. Oh, where are my settings here? Maybe we should add a new column. So let's make it link, and this will be a string, and the width of the string, we will take it as big as possible, 250. And now we will alter that and make the same function. Okay, so we will concatenate and we will update all. Press on save, press on clear, close this. Now we have two possibilities here, as I can see it. So there are still the names. And now we have it. So there was a little bit kind of a hassle, but we can see now clearly our images from each point. So just hovering over the point, and we will get an idea about the image. So let's make it here, so we can see there was this booth, and there was that booth. Once again, just hover over the image, and the image will be loaded right away. So there's no action needed at the moment, but you can also open an action. So let's go back to the properties and go here to the actions field, and let's add a default action, which is the open field, the open file. Well, we have the name or the location of the file already stored in not path but in name. We'll update the selected action, just press on OK, and now you can easily choose the identify button or the identify feature tool. Right click on the feature, open the file, and the file will be opened in the default application for that kind of file type, like it was over at ArcGIS. So this is also a possibility to show the images, which is not as convenient as the hover or this hover type of style, which I like quite a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.